In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create JSON in Snowflake. Whether you're working on a data integration project or simply trying to leverage JSON for analytics, knowing how to create JSON objects within Snowflake is an essential skill that can unlock a lot of potential in your database management tasks. So, sit back, relax, and let's get started. To create JSON objects in Snowflake, we'll be using a very handy function called Object Construct. This function is incredibly versatile and efficient for crafting JSON objects directly from your SQL queries. The beauty of Object Construct is that it allows you to define your JSON objects simply by specifying the key value pairs, making the process straightforward and intuitive. Now let me walk you through an example. Imagine you want to create a JSON object that contains basic information about a person, say their name and age. Using Object Construct, you can achieve this with a single line of SQL code. The query would look something like this. Select Object Construct name, John, age, 30, as JSON object. Now let's break this down a bit. In this query, the Object Construct function takes in pairs of arguments. Each pair consists of a key followed by a value. So in our example, name is the key and John is the corresponding value. Similarly, age is another key with its value as 30. The function assembles these pairs into a JSON object, neatly wrapping up your information in a structured way. The result of this query is a JSON object with the keys name and age having the values John and 30 respectively. What's convenient here is that Snowflake automatically handles the JSON formatting for you, ensuring the syntax is correct and that the data is stored in a compatible JSON format. Now, why might you want to use JSON in your databases? JSON, or JavaScript Object Notation, is a lightweight data interchange format that's easy for both humans to read and write, and for machines to parse and generate. It's especially useful for representing complex data structures and exchanging data between a server and a client. By leveraging JSON, you can take advantage of hierarchical data structures, which can represent more complicated data relationships compared to traditional flat rows and columns. Before we wrap up, let's go over a quick tip. Always ensure that your key names within Object Construct are unique and accurately describe the data they're representing. This will save you from potential confusion or errors when working with larger data sets or aggregating data from multiple sources. And there you have it. We've now learned how to create JSON objects in Snowflake using the Object Construct function. It's a simple yet powerful feature that enhances your ability to manage and utilize data effectively. Remember, you can build upon this basic knowledge to construct more intricate JSON objects by adding more key value pairs as needed. Thanks for watching, and happy querying.